Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and session basics. Connect a dedicated USB or Thunderbolt audio interface and select it in Garageband's audio/MIDI prefs. This reduces system polling delay. Set the project sample rate to 44, 100 Hz or 48, 000 Hz and match the interface. Mismatched rates force resampling and add latency. Once done, quit browsers and heavy apps, and set your max energy saver to prevent CPU sleep. These steps remove common system-induced lag before we change buffer settings. Next, you focus on the audio engine. Open GarageBand preferences, navigate to audio/MIDI, and lower the I/O buffer size to 64 or 128 samples for live playing. Smaller buffers reduce latency but increase CPU load. If your interface offers direct hardware monitoring, disable GarageBand software monitoring to avoid double buffering. Also, freeze or bounce tracks with CPU-heavy plugins. Once processed, the audio engine handles less work, which keeps latency low while preserving your mix. Finally, you resolve plugin and software culprits. Identify and remove linear phase or look-ahead compressors and long delay effects while tracking. Use low-latency alternatives and reintroduce complex processing when mixing. Make sure core audio drivers are used, and keep Mac OS and GarageBand up to date to benefit from performance fixes. If latency continues, reset GarageBand preferences and test in a new, empty project to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting step often reveals corrupted settings or a specific problem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.